Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure workers' compensation insurance with AIG, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching AIG's workers' compensation insurance options. Visit the official AIG website to gather relevant information. Identify the specific coverage needs of your business. Gather data on your workforce, including employee roles and payroll estimates. Prepare documentation related to your business operations and previous insurance claims. Reach out to an AIG representative to discuss your requirements. Schedule a consultation to assess your needs with an insurance expert. During the meeting, outline your workforce details and any specific risks associated with your industry. Review the various coverage options provided by AIG. Ask questions about policy limits, deductibles, and exclusions. Request a quote based on the information you provided. Compare the quote with other insurance providers to ensure competitive pricing. Once satisfied, proceed with the application process. Fill out the necessary forms accurately, providing all requested information. Submit required documentation, including your business's financial records. Review the policy terms carefully before finalizing the agreement. Once approved, obtain a copy of your workers' comp. Implement safety protocols in your workplace to minimize risks. Regularly review your coverage and update it as your business evolves. Establish a relationship with AIG for ongoing support and assistance. Stay informed about any changes in workers' compensation laws that may affect your policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.